Yeah, it's a great question. I really deeply believe that AI will take away the drudgery of many jobs and enable people to focus on the aspects of the work that excite them. And we're already starting to see that in a lot of studies that have come out from big tech, from academia, that people are able to take repetitive, routine, formulaic parts of their jobs and hand that off to AI and take the time that is freed up to do the things that they're really excited and passionate about, and that frankly make better use of their skills as humans. I'll give you just a personal example. I used to spend at least a half hour every morning going through tech news, trying to figure out what was, important, what was significant. I use a tool from Microsoft now called Researcher Agent, part of Microsoft 365 Copilot. And I just say, summarize the news. And it goes off and it reads every news story